Mulch is just a material laid down over your flower bed or garden bed. I like to use organic material for all my mulching. It breaks down into a nice, beautiful soil like right here. Um, you can see the soil is just loaded with organic material here. It keeps the soil cool, keeps the weeds down. It sure makes it a lot easier to pull weeds. If you want to plant in your mulch, you can just pull it aside or just dig right into it like I am here. Just bag your grass or save when you pull weeds. Weeds that you pull in your yard are especially good. I usually let my weeds get pretty tall, and so they have a nice clump of dirt at the bottom, which is really good for the compost pile. Weeds are easier to pull when they get taller anyway. I also go to the city where they trim trees. They shred it all up, and anybody in the city can take whatever they want. So I usually get quite a few wood chips during the summer. Take them home and put them in different places, usually on my compost pile, and let them set for a year before I use them. And I just dump all of my weeds and everything on my compost pile. Then I just mix it all up, turn it with a fork or and right here is an older flower bed, and it's got some nice ground covers in it, but it also has got a lot of grass and other weeds growing in it. So about the easiest thing to do is just to cover the areas that don't have a ground cover in them anymore. Is just cover that with, here I'm just using straight wood chips, and just rake them down to cover all the stuff that you don't want growing in there. And that makes it so much easier to go back and pull up the weeds if any of them are still there, and this makes beautiful soil by next year. Wood chips make some of the best soil. A nice wood chip mulch. So that's how I use mulch. Put it around my flowers, around and on my garden. I let it set for a year, and turn the compost pile, or just put it on straight like I am right here, depending on the flower bed. And so thanks for a lot, and I'll see you next time.